Hey squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode at this cool mirror here, and pretty much what this is a shower head. If you guys can see for the one that we got right here from this brand, and for this product in particular, it's actually pretty cool. There's many different features on here. First thing you guys want to know is the fact that how it has a spot resist. Second thing is the fact that there's 6 different settings on here when you guys do use it for the spray option. And probably one of the coolest thing about the product is the fact that it actually has a magnetic design to actually hold it into the back for the shower head option, which I'll show you guys in a second. But see on the side right here, they do provide guys some specs and features about the product. Same thing for right here on the side as well. And if you guys turn on the back, they show you guys some more specs about the different settings. But right here is what the package looks like when you guys do get it. Let me actually open up to show you guys what the inside looks like. So let's do take it out. There's a lot of stuff inside. First, the inside, they do provide guys the stainless steel hose, very high quality. Right here, they do provide guys a user manual to teach you guys how to set it up and how to use it. Right here, we do have 2 covers. If you guys do take it out, here we do have the mount option for you guys to set it up. So one for the hose, and then one that's magnetic option for you to just stick it on right here. And then here is where you guys want to set it up for your wall mount for where the water goes through. And it is rotatable, which is really nice. You just have to loosen up a little bit to make it rotatable. And then tighten up once you guys do have the correct position, which is really cool. But last but not least, we do have the actual product right here. So you can see the way how to design it definitely looks and feels like a high quality material. And there's a lot of different holes on here for different spray option. Since there's 6 different settings on here. I believe the way how it changes is by pressing on this button. And that will change the different setting on here, or different mode. In the middle, we do have the brand name. And the way how to design these holes right here, all you need to do is just wipe it to clean it really easily, which is really cool. Bottom part right here is where you guys want to insert onto the hose. And the back part right here is where you guys want to stick it on to the actual mount. So it is magnetic like I mentioned. So for example, if I just stick it on right now like this, if you can see the magnet on here is actually really strong. And I didn't have to bring it too close. Around there already actually clips it together. And the magnet on here is actually really strong. If you can see. So definitely a very high quality magnet on here. And it's like, I believe water resistant or stain resistant. So over time when you guys get water on here, it should be fine. So that definitely eliminates the need of you guys to have to worry about like clipping on this part right here. You don't have to do that anymore. Literally all you do is stick it on like that and it's all set. But in terms of material on here, it definitely looks and feels like a high quality material. They do have another version available that's like a different material. But this one in particular is like a spot resistant material. So you don't have to worry about any like spots or any fingerprint staying on. It's also fingerprint resistant, which is really cool. But that is everything that's on the product. What I'm doing right now is actually go install it and show you guys how to install it and what the product looks like when we do use it. And then we'll come back and talk more product in a second. Alright, so right here we do have the shower room, and right here we do have the products that we want to actually install. So I'll put this on one side for now, because what I want to do right now is install the hose and this part right here first. So what you're going to do is just screw this onto your head right here. And make sure it's tight enough so that way it's not loose. Alright, so that should be good. What I'm doing right now is set the hose. So for the hose right here, they do have the accessory for you guys to put it in this part right here to prevent any kind of leakage, which is really nice. So let's unscrew this part right here. Or not really unscrew, but take this part out. Same thing for this part here as well. Once you guys take it out, this is what the part looks like. And what we need to do right now is get this part out to put one on each side. And I love the way how they design it, so that way both of them are the same, so it doesn't really matter which one you guys put on. So I'm going to put it inside right there and screw it on. Make sure it's tight as possible. And the other one you guys will put it right here and screw this on right here. Make sure that's tight as possible as well. Once you guys do that, you guys are all set. So what you have to do right now is just stick this onto the back right here. Just like that. Very easy and very simple. And once you guys are ready to grab it, just grab it like this. And just take it out. And when you guys are done, put it back on. And it has a very strong magnet on there to hold it in place, which is really cool. But what I'm doing right now is actually turn it on and show you guys the different mode on here and how to change it using this button. And I'll probably bring it up close to show you guys a close-up point of view. But for right now, I want to angle it that way. So I'll move it this way. So that way it's not spraying this way, it's spraying that way to prevent a mess. So turn on the water. So here's the first mode. If you guys want to change it, press on the button. So that's the next mode. Press on again. That's the next mode. Press on again. That's the next one. Press on again. That's the next mode. Press on again. That's the next mode. Press on again. There's this one. Press on again. And back to this one. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So there's a total of 6 different modes on here where you guys do use it. Let me turn it off, and we'll bring the camera a little bit closer to show you guys a close-up point of view of what the product looks like. Alright, so here's a close-up view of what the product looks like. So if you guys can move it, stick it back on. It works pretty well. Let's turn it on. So here's the first mode. Let me take it out. Let me press the button. Here's the next one. So there's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and back to 1. So that is what each different mode looks like. So you can see the pressure on here is not like really strong, but it does give you guys that rainfall option, which is really nice. But that is what each mode looks like when you guys do use it. If you guys stick it back on, that is how I do use it. Very easy and very simple for you to use it, you can see. Welcome back, guys. So nice quick test the product, and definitely actually does work and actually worked quite well. If you see the whole setup process and everything didn't take that long. Once you guys screw everything all together and just mount it together, it works so well. I really like that magnetic design, so that way I don't have to like clip it onto anywhere. Just like any of the other ones I show you guys for the shower head design. This one is so much more convenient where you guys can just clip it on. And the fact that how if you guys get water on there is fine as well. That makes it even more cooler, which is really cool. But you can see when we do use it for different settings, all of them definitely does work. And really cool how to give you guys different settings to use. If you guys want to use a spray option, the mist option or whatever, the 6 different modes available. You guys can feel free to play around with how you guys do want. Everything about the product when you guys do use it, it definitely feels like a high quality material compared to any other shower head that I've viewed in the past. I'll definitely probably invest in a lot more from this brand or similar product from this brand. If they do have other ones like this one, the main thing that actually won me is definitely the magnetic option. That one's actually really cool. I haven't seen any other shower head that actually have the option, but that is everything that's on the product. Now to unboxing and testing product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it's pretty worth it. If you guys want to need one of these, especially if you guys are in the market looking for a high quality shower head that feels high quality, works very high quality in terms of different settings for the different spray option, and also how to give you guys the magnetic option that I mentioned, then I do have to say that it's pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money on something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.